So we got a little Airbnb action plan. We're gonna just hang out and then come back on the weekend.
We're going to see Joe.
We're going to see Joe. Yes. So super excited about that. Super excited about that. And I guess my second win is Cornell, man. Cornell, man, has been super faithful, trying to soak up everything that we're doing here in the Superhost call. And the report was he picked up I don't think it was quite a 5K booking, but it was over $4,000. So and that's a blessing, man, because that's the hope that we can not only help you guys build a semi-passive business, but a profitable semi-passive business. Okay. Because the goal is to kind of get the momentum going and set it. We don't actually ever forget it, but it should kind of be able to take on a life of its own.